In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a dashboard in Salesforce. Dashboards are powerful tools that allow you to visualize your data, enabling you to derive valuable insights and make informed business decisions. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with the knowledge to set up your own dashboard from scratch. So, let's get started. To begin, open your Salesforce interface. You'll want to click on the App Launcher, which is typically located at the upper left corner of your screen. In the search bar, simply type Dashboards and select it from the options that appear. This will take you to the central hub where all your dashboards live, serving as the foundation for our creation process. Once you're on the dashboard page, look for the New Dashboard button, often found in the upper right area of the interface. Clicking this button initiates the process of building a fresh dashboard from the ground up. An essential aspect at this stage is naming your dashboard. Choose a name that's both descriptive and concise to keep things organized and easily identifiable later on. Next up is assigning your dashboard to a specific folder. Folders help you categorize and manage your dashboards efficiently, especially when working in larger teams. If you've not yet set up a folder, you can create one right here. Although it's optional, adding a description to your dashboard can further clarify its purpose, making it easier for you and your team to comprehend its function at a glance. With those steps completed, you're ready to bring your dashboard to life by clicking Create. This will open up a canvas where the magic happens. On this canvas, you'll see a button labeled Plus Widget. This is where you start populating your dashboard with data visualizations. A critical step here is selecting a source report, so make sure you have a predefined report to pull data from. This step is crucial because without an underlying report, the widget cannot access the data it needs to display. Once your source report is selected, you're faced with a variety of visual representation options. Choices include bar charts, pie charts, line graphs, gauges, tables, and metrics, among others. Pick the visual type that best represents your data and the insights you're aiming to communicate. After deciding on the visual type, click Add to incorporate the widget directly into your dashboard. Each widget you add brings you one step closer to a comprehensive visual story. With your widgets in place, it's time to wrap things up. Simply click Save to ensure all your hard work is stored securely in your Salesforce environment. And there you have it. You've successfully created a dashboard in Salesforce. You can now review and interact with your data dynamically, making this a significant milestone in leveraging your Salesforce capabilities. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide has empowered you to make the most of your Salesforce experience.